Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware and service, so you get actual 5G speeds. Check that your phone lists 5G bands and that your carrier plan includes 5G access. Once confirmed, install or migrate the SIM/eSIM profile. Next, go into Network Settings and toggle 5G on, selecting the preferred 5G mode. Place the phone near a window or outdoors to detect cell sites. These steps ensure you're connecting to the right radios, rather than falling back to LTE. Once the basics are live, optimize the mid-stage configuration for consistent performance. Update your device OS and carrier settings to ensure compatibility with network slices and new bands. Make sure the APN matches carrier documentation so data routes correctly. Switch network mode to 5G/4G auto to let the phone balance speed and battery life. Manually force 5G only for testing. Run a few speed tests in different spots. Note the serving band and consider an external antenna or indoor mesh to combat building attenuation. You're finishing by locking in settings and preparing for occasional issues. Verify the connection across apps. Enable preferences like 5G only for specific apps if your phone supports per app network selection, and monitor data usage to avoid surprises. If performance lags, capture speed tests and the serving band, then reset network settings to refresh radio profiles. Most problems clear if you toggle airplane mode or remove and reseat the SIM. If not, share logs and tests with your carrier for targeted troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.